How to send a TikTok to someone. First of all, head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account. It will land you on your For You page. Now search for the video that you want to send it to someone on TikTok. Let's say I want to send this video to someone. What you want to do is just tap on the share icon right here. You can see your friend's username popping up on the screen. Let's say I want to send this video to this person. Tap on their profile and then tap on send. Well, this video has been successfully sent to that person. Likewise, if you want to send your own TikTok to someone, what you want to do is first of all tap on the post that you want to send and then tap on this three dot right here. Tap on the profile of the person that you want to send this TikTok. Right here in this section, you can enter some messages that you want to. If not, just tap on send. Now if you move into their inbox, you will get to see all the videos that you have sent to this person. That's it, and this is simply how you can send the videos on TikTok. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.